I'm a rancher that works with commercial fishermen. Hold on. Woo-wee. We've had 10 inches of rain, so we're about to take the four-wheelers and go check on the cows. No,
Right in the front, right?
No, definitely not doing that. That's too dangerous. We're trading because the kids are fighting. That's where I almost got ate by an alligator one time. Hey, Becky. I need new drawers after this. Tiger. Did she ever have a baby? You're out here in your swim shorts.
When I met you, you used to like doing mudding like that. Now you're like too preppy to mud.
This one right here is Elvira.